Viral marketing is a technique that motivates people to pass on a marketing message to their friends or colleagues, creating an exponential growth in spreading your message. Videos are attractive, emotional, and extremely shareable, making them perfect for everyone who wants to spread the word, and that's what most business owners crave. Moreover, since by the end of next year, 2021, more than 80% of internet traffic is expected to be videos, more clients will be looking for video than ever. According to HubSpot's marketing survey, they found that people are 81% more likely to buy a product or service when they watch a video. What do you expect will happen to your business when you have one of those viral videos? Can you turn an ordinary video into viral video? You need to do some planning and research, as it's not an easy task. Follow the below hack stack and use it as a reference guide to create a viral video content. 1. Know your audience. You need to know who your audiences are. You should know what are your ideal customer profiles, hobbies, demographics, backgrounds, and interests. 2. Create shorter videos. People nowadays have short attention spans, and there are hundreds of videos uploaded every minute on YouTube. The sweet spot of a viral video will be from 30 seconds to around 3 minutes. 3. Strong emotions. Your video should inspire people to be happy, sad, angry, laugh, or cry. You can't please everyone. Try to make an emotional connection with your audience. 4. Quality isn't expensive, it's priceless. You have to create professional content using excellent video editing skills. Background music can help to deliver your story. Do you still remember the best movie soundtracks like The Bodyguard, Titanic, or Forrest Gump? 5. Create shareable video content. Why do you share a video with your friends? The video should deliver value to them, entertain them, warn them, or offer certain advice. The more you know your audiences, the more you will know their sharing preferences. 6. Do the unexpected. Keep your audience hungry for what comes next. The trickier the plot is, the better. Focus on the message and not on the promotion. 7. Solve a problem. All good viral videos have a solution to the customer's problem. By the way, entertaining a bored viewer is a solution to his problem. 8. The first 15 seconds rule. To get the attention of your viewers, you have the first 10 to 15 seconds to do this. The attention spans are short and people click away easily. Hook your audience from the early beginning and try to increase their engagement for the entire length of the video by asking questions, tackle their pain point, or make them laugh. It's almost unpredictable at this point to know how your audience will react and engage with your video content. But with proper planning, you can have a better chance that one of your videos goes viral. You'll find some viral video marketing examples on YouTube in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. I have a lot more videos on the way that you're going to want to watch. Check out the other helpful content here on the channel. I'll see you on the next video.